This video will show you how to clean and care for your Smeg extractor hood. Both proper cleaning and maintenance are essential to keep your hood functioning optimally. To clean the exterior of the hood, use a soft damp cloth and a mild detergent. Avoid using solvents and abrasive substances in order to protect surfaces. Ensure to regularly clean the metal grease filters to prevent grease buildup. Many Smeg hood models come with an indicator that offers an alert when it's time to clean the filter. Excess grease affects both the performance and safety, therefore it's recommended to clean the filter at least once a month or more frequently for heavier use. Pull the spring release handle to remove the grease filter. There are two options for cleaning the grease filters. Firstly, cleaning in a dishwasher to wash thoroughly and easily. Place the grease filters in the dishwasher. Use a short, low-temperature dishwasher cycle to protect the filters. Alternatively, the grease filters can be washed by hand in warm, soapy water using a non-abrasive sponge, being mindful to avoid damaging the filters. It's important to check your individual model's manual for any specific recommendations. Ensure the filters are dried thoroughly before returning to the hood. For recirculating hoods, the carbon filters are capable of retaining odours until the carbon reaches saturation level. It's recommended to replace these filters at least every 6 months, or more often if the hood is used frequently. Some models benefit from an alarm that indicates when this is necessary to be carried out. To remove the carbon filters, ensure that the hood is switched off at the power source. Remove the metal grease filters. For carbon disc filters, simply tilt the two filters by 90 degrees and then extract them from their housing. For a cartridge filter, attached with springs, exert the pressure required to counteract the resistance of the springs and then remove the filter. Some cartridge filters may have a screw locking it in place. Simply twist and remove to release. Replace the carbon filters, reassemble the metal grease filter, and the hood is then ready to be used as normal. Please consult your model's instruction manual for specific advice on how to remove and replace. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to our channel.